Botšiša tsela, botšiša tsela, botšiša tsela. Ask for direction. Ask for direction. That's what it means. Greetings, welcome to yet another interesting episode. In this segment, we are still covering words that has something to do with a trip, a journey, or an excursion. But in this category, we are focusing on asking for help. Asking for help. It means this word has something to do with asking for help in the context of a trip or a journey or a direction. Now let's cover the first word, which is going to be Thušo. Thušo, 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 help. Thušo, help. Thušo, help. Now realize something. Sepedi and Setswana and Sesotho are not so different. So if it was Setswana, they were going to say Thušo, not sho. They removed that little thing on top. And Sesotho as well is Thušo, not Thušo. It's help. The first example for Thušo is nyaka Thušo. I need help. Or I want help, because it's not need. Nyaka Thušo. I want help. Nyaka Thušo. I want help. The second example is ke leboga thušo ya hao. Ke leboga thušo ya gago. Ke leboga thušo ya hao. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Lastly, ke filwe thušo. Ke filwe thušo. I received help. I received help. Ke filwe thušo. The second term is Botšiša. 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 Ask. Ask. That's what it means. The first example is botšiša tsela. Botšiša tsela. We opened with this. Ask for direction. Ask for direction. The second example is ke botšišitše motledi. Ke botšišitše motledi. Ke botšišitše motledi. I asked the driver. I asked for driver. Ke botšišitše motledi. It's still botšiša. Don't confuse anything with something, or something with something, or one thing with another. Don't confuse, please. It's still ask. Ke botšišitše motledi. I asked the driver. O seke wa boifa go botšiša. O seke wa boifa go botšiša. Don't be afraid to ask. Don't be afraid to ask. O seke wa boifa go botšiša. Last but not least, the term is Bontšha. 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 Sing Bontšha. Bontšha. Remember that TSH makes a huge difference. You need to be emphatic. Bontšha. As if you are fighting. Bontšha. Be a little aggressive about it. And it means show. 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 First example. Mpontšhe tsela. Mpontšhe tsela. Mpontšhe tsela. Show me the way. Show me the way. Mpontšhe tsela. Show me the way. The second example. Mpontšhitše mabenkele. Mpontšhitše mabenkele. He showed me the shops. He showed me the shops. Morutiši o bontšha bana. Morutiši o bontšha bana. Morutiši o bontšha bana. The teacher shows the learners. The teacher shows the learners. Morutiši o bontšha bana. The teacher shows the learners. Thank you very much for making it thus far. The fact that you are still here, it means there is a certain degree of interest in you. So I would ask that you, or may I please ask that you hit a like, subscribe button, and make sure that you drop something in the comment section and engage me, ask questions, and contribute something. Thank you very much. God bless.